Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to empty trash in these 6 hidden places on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to empty trash on your iPhone, here I will show you the 6 places from where you can empty trash of your iPhone. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open files, and from here tap on browse and then go to recently deleted, and from here delete the recently deleted folders from here or files from here. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply open settings and then scroll it below and go to apps and then scroll it below and go to Safari. So guys, simply go to Safari browser and from here scroll it below, and from here clear history and website data of your device as well. So guys, do this, and from here you can easily clear your website or browser history or trash from here. So guys, do this, and after this you have to open messages and then tap on 3 lines button, tap on recently deleted, and from here you can delete the recently deleted messages or empty trash of your messages from here. So guys, empty trash from here as well, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go to notes, and from here you can see all of your notes you can delete from here. So guys, here you have to simply go to notes, and from here you have to simply tap on 3 dots buttons, and from here you can delete the recently deleted notes as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open your emails, and from here you have to tap on 3 lines button again and then go to trash, and from here you can empty trash of your mails from here as well. So guys, tap on empty trash and then simply tap on OK and empty trash from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this your iPhone's trash will be cleared and your iPhone will be much lighter after this. So guys, these are the ways which you can follow to delete the recently deleted or you can empty trash from here. So guys, after this you have to simply go to your photos, and then you have to simply go to collections and then go to recently deleted, and from here you have to simply go to delete the recently deleted photos or videos from here as well. So guys, in this way you can also empty trash of your Apple device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.